Hi, this is Priyanka here. I have one thought which I wanted to share with you all guys. Thinking about yourself, it's not guilt. Thinking about yourself, it's not guilt. Sometimes we need to put ourselves first. Not every time, but at least sometime. Because if a person wants to do something about herself or himself, some of the people be like that he or she is a selfish person, but no. बिकॉज खुद के लिए जीना और खुद के लिए कुछ करना, अपनी खुशियों को ढूंढना कोई स्वार्थ नहीं है, ज़रूरी है. सो डोंट फील लाइक कि somebody is this much or that much who are having this kind of condition. Just leave it and leave them and let them think about their ambition. This is what I want to say. Bye bye.